Hey, what's up YouTube? Today we're going to fix the toilet handle with one of these universal handles. First, remove your tank lid and shut off the water. Next, remove the old damaged handle. In this case, I'm just removing the one that I put in last week. I had temporarily fixed the previous handle just to get us by for the week. If you want to check out that video, the link will be in the description. Remove the new handle from the package and remove the handle from the arm. It will take some force, surprisingly a lot of force. Put the spacer in and put the handle arm through the spacer. Now, in this case, we're going to check for clearance issues because this universal arm has a large mechanism to change the direction of the arm. I didn't quite have enough space, so I turned my fill valve just slightly. Now that I've got enough clearance, I'm going to start hooking everything back up. Make sure you follow the directional arrows. Check again for clearance. Install the nut. Adjust the arm length if necessary. Put the arm through. Again, we're checking for clearance to make sure everything is good. Make sure there's a full range of motion for all the moving parts. This replacement did not come with a hook to hook onto the chain, so I removed the old one. Now we're going to install the handle itself, being sure to orient it in the correct direction. Turn the water back on, and you're done. Please like, subscribe, and comment. Have a great day, everyone.